we have a small Bluetooth speaker that came not power on. Okay, I connect a charger, then we check the speaker. It's turned on.
Welcome to connecting with Ticon. I'm ready to follow your music. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
After remove charger, the speaker is powered off. So two problem. One, the battery is disconnected or battery is damaged. We disassemble the Bluetooth speaker. It have three small screws. Okay. Yes. Now battery is inserted in the box. Okay. No, this is the battery. We charge 2-3 hours, but the problem is same. And we check the voltage of battery. No voltage. We have a new battery. We check the new battery voltage. It's our 3.8 voltage. You see? Okay. Now we replace the battery. First power on the soldering station. I power on the soldering station. And we add little bit flux on the battery. Okay. Battery is fully damaged. Okay, no problem. We have a new battery. Add a little bit flux and desoldering the battery. Okay. Remove the old battery cover. Okay. This side is battery positive side. This side is negative side. First we add little bit flux on battery top side, and we little bit solder. Okay. Solder the connector. Okay. Now we solder our new battery with Bluetooth speaker. Sorry for my English. My English is not good. I speak English in this video. Sorry. Okay. Solder the night tube wire.
Welcome to connecting with Ticon. I'm ready to follow your music. The
Taking
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
the Bluetooth speaker is on. Okay, first we add more little bit flux and add little more solder. Okay, sorry. Okay. I just add a glue on battery side. It takes up to half an hour for battery. The glue is solid. Okay. And then we assemble the speaker. Okay. You see the blue indication light. The Bluetooth speaker is working back again. Okay.
Welcome to connecting with Ticon. I'm ready
I
to
connect
follow
my
your music.
smartphone
The
into
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I connect my smartphone into Bluetooth, and we play now copyright song. This is the device name.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
I take YouTube and play audio. Thanks for watching my video, my repair video. Please, if you like this video, please like this video, share video. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new video. Thank you.